Hello everyone, myself Priyabrath and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Wipro Off-Campus Drive 2021 or you can say 2022 January. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon. And guys, one more thing, in the last video we discussed about the Swiggy, KPMG, Tech Mahindra and Mahindra off-campus drive. So freshers are also eligible for these four different off-campus drives. So I am suggesting all of you to go through this video because the before one day only we have uploaded this video and the job openings are active right now. So I am suggesting or requesting all of you to apply for this profile or for this off-campus drives as well. So now let's discuss one more thing. Recently Reliable has added one more module or job profile into their platform. It is all about the full stack development. So previously the backend development, the front end and the business development and the data analyst job profiles were there, but the candidates those who are willing to build their career in the field of full stack development, then it's a very good thing. They can enroll themselves in the it's a free of cost thing, as you all know, and the eligibility criteria is same as of the previous job profiles. That means minimum 18 years candidates can apply and maximum 40 years, and the freshers or the experienced candidates can apply. And the salary, if you ask me, maximum people are getting 50 LPA as well, as per their experience. It's a obvious thing. And the openings they have for 400 plus openings are there, and it's it is in this time it is very much structured manner. So from the home itself, from your home you can take your exam, and these are the skills required for this front end development or the full stack development. That means combined thing it is needed, and the exam pattern and the syllabus, all things are there, you can download and go through. And if you are willing to take the test from your home, just book your slot, free slot, then you need to just sign up or log in, then you will be able to book the slot. It's free of cost, and the link will be there in the description of this video. So now let's discuss about this Wipro off campus. So it's a non-IT profile. So the candidates or the non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil or the electrical candidates can apply for this off campus. Those who are thinking my coding language or the technical skills is not that much good enough, then they can apply for this off campus as well. And the location is Bangalore, and this is the requirement or the requisition ID. And if you are applying through any reference or the referral, then you need to provide this requisition ID or the specific ID to the Wipro associates so that they can refer you for this profile. So this job profile is all about the entry level job profile who validate the BOL, that means bill of landing, or the tenders received from the different companies or the organizations, and you need to process all these things as per the requirement. Then the roles and responsibilities like matching the documents with internal tools and initiating the payments, receiving the invoices and processing them immediately for the payment. So these are the accountant kind of thing or the tender kind of thing you will be doing. It's totally you can say internal job, and it's totally non-technical. So Excel and the good communication skill, typing skill, all these are the things needed. And minimum qualification, any graduate, only graduate, that means BTech and the postgraduate and the result pending are not eligible. That means the candidates those who are having their mark sheets or the provisional certificate or the degree certificate, they will be able to apply. That means up to 2021 year of pass out candidates can apply for this off campus or for this profile. Then if you are willing to apply for this off campus, simply click on the apply button here. Then you will be able to apply for this off campus by simply providing here email address and all. These are the this is simple process you need to follow. Suppose I am suppose using my email address, and then accept their privacy and terms and condition. Then you need to provide your password, and then you need to click on the login. If you have not created any password or the login password or forget your password, then you can click on this one. Otherwise you can like provide your email address and log in into your system. Then you will be able to apply for this off campus by simply uploading your resume, providing your professional details and the educational qualification details and all. So I hope you all are able to understand about this like off campus, how it what are the eligibility criteria and all. So if you have any doubt regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. And yeah, one more thing, like if you ask me about the salary, there is no specific like salary like salary structure here. Yeah, minimum you will be getting 3.2 to 3.4 if you are a fresher. So I'll be putting this link as well in the description of this video. Go through this link and apply for this off campus before it gets expired. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.